Hello people, and this is a video that is much different than my usual content, but my throat. But I wanted to make a video about it anyways to teach people so they don't struggle, well, like how I did. Finding common denominators and simplifying fractions with Lincoln. Alright, erase this. Why did I put that there? So to find the common denominator of a fraction, say we have 6 over 7 and then 2 over 3. We multiply 6 times... No, we don't do that. What am I talking about? Okay, wait. We multiply 7 by 3, which equals 2... Let me just fact check that in my head real quick. Yeah, 21. 7 times 3 equals 21. So now to get these values, well, we multiplied 7 by 3 and multiplied 3 by 7. So whatever we gotta do to the bottom, we gotta do to the top. So 6 times 3 equals 18. And then 2 times 7 equals 14. And 6 times 7 equals... Well, wait, why am I doing 6 times 7 instead of 6 times... Wait, what? No. 3 times 7 equals 21. So now, instead of 6 over 7 times 2 over 3, we have 18 over 21 times 14 over 21. So to calculate this, we multiply both of them together. So you take 18 multiplied by 14 to get the numerator, and then multiply 21 by 21 to get the denominator, and then we can simplify. But how do you simplify, you may ask? Well, that's what this video is also about. So 9 over 18 equals 1 over 2, but how do we know that it equals that? Well, if we take 9 over 18, we can reduce it to their simplest forms. Well, or not simplest forms, prime factors. So 9 equals 3 times 3. So prime factors are the numbers that you multiply together in order to get a different number. So 3 and 3 are the prime factors of 9. And 18 can be factored into, well, we have 9 times 2. 9 can be prime factored into 3 times 3. So now we just bring all of this down to make 3 times 3 times 2 for 18 as its prime factors. So let's do equals. So 9 over 18 equals 3 times 3 over 3 times 3 times 2. And to simplify, we cross out any pairs between the top and bottom. So we take away those two threes, and then we can also take away these two threes, and that leaves us with a 2, but nothing on the top. Well, actually, every number in math also has the prime factor of times 1. You can say times 1 times 1 times 1 and times 1 times 1 times 1 and on and so on to infinity, because it equals the same. So if we take our two numbers that are remaining from crossing out the 4 threes, we end up with 1 over 2. So 9 over 18 equals 1 over 2. I hope that helped anyone watching. Goodbye.